Are you curious how to add your own sound to TikTok videos on Android? You can either record audio directly within TikTok or upload pre-recorded sounds from your device. No worries, in this video, I'll show you both methods step by step, hassle-free. Let's get started. Method 1. Record your own sound directly in TikTok. Open the TikTok app. Tap the plus button to create a new video. Tap the record button and say or play your custom sound while recording. Tap the check mark. Continue editing. When you post it, TikTok will automatically save your original sound. Your followers can tap the spinning record icon on your video and reuse the audio. Method 2. Use a video with pre-recorded audio. Tap the plus button. Tap upload. Select a video from your gallery that contains your custom sound or music. Once uploaded, TikTok will use the audio from that video as your original sound. And that's how you add your own music or sound to TikTok videos using Android. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.